Your rBook Teacher's Edition provides a clear instructional path for teaching direct, whole, and small group instruction. The carefully sequenced lessons are organized into 9 thematic workshops on engaging and relevant topics, such as bullying, natural disasters, and music censorship. Each workshop follows a similar format. Let's take a closer look at Workshop 2, When Disaster Strikes, from the Stage B rBook Teacher's Edition. At the start of each workshop, you'll see a workshop overview, which summarizes 4 to 6 weeks of instructional content. At the top, you'll see a summary of the skills you'll teach and assess. Each workshop focuses on comprehension, vocabulary/word study, writing, and conventions. Along the bottom, you'll find a summary of the different text a student will read during the workshop. Notice the content area icons that help you make cross-curricular connections. Next to these are the text complexity icons to help you prepare students to read text of increasing complexity. The first reading gives an overview of the topic. Readings 2 and 3 allow for narrow reading and knowledge building. Notice the yellow stretch text. Yellow in your Teacher's Edition indicates an opportunity to differentiate instruction. Each workshop includes an optional stretch text to extend learning with students who are ready for a challenge. Stretch texts provide additional rigor with text at a higher lexile measure. Turn the page and you'll find the Workshop Planning Guide, which provides a detailed breakdown of whole and small group standards-based lessons. Beginning with pre-reading lessons, where you'll build background with an anchor video and pre-teach academic vocabulary to prepare students for the leveled workshop readings. Then you'll move into the reading lessons. Each workshop includes up to 3 main reading passages from a variety of text types. rBook passages build knowledge and vocabulary on the same topic and are staircased to support students to read increasingly complex text with confidence. Throughout the lessons, you'll use the gradual release method of instruction to first teach and then guide students to practice and apply a key comprehension skill. The vocabulary and word study lesson in each workshop provides explicit instruction in word learning strategies, giving students the tools they need to learn new words independently. Since we recognize that reading and writing go hand in hand, the rBook Teacher's Edition includes daily writing opportunities embedded in every lesson. Near the end of each workshop, you'll also explicitly teach an extended writing lesson focused on one of 5 key writing types: informational, narrative, literary analysis, argument, and research. Each writing lesson scaffolds students through the writing process, beginning with single-paragraph writing in workshops 1 through 3, and moving to multi-paragraph essay writing in workshops 4 through 9. Next is the 21st Century Literacy lesson, where you'll focus on teaching a skill that has real-life application and introducing students to a career related to the workshop topic. Students will read a variety of technical text as part of this lesson. Each workshop ends with a performance-based wrap-up project and computer-based R-Skills test to assess workshop learning. The suggested pacing at the top provides a guideline for how much time to spend on each lesson. Generally, a workshop will likely take 4 to 6 weeks to complete, but you can adjust your pacing to meet the learning goals of your students. Notice the color-coded bar at the top of the planning guide, distinguishing each lesson type. You'll find the same color coding throughout the student rBook pages and your Teacher's Edition lessons. Remember to also keep an eye out for yellow. In addition to the daily differentiation opportunities you'll find throughout your lessons, you'll also pause at reading, writing, and end of workshop checkpoints to provide more extensive, differentiated instruction. Now that you have a better understanding of how lessons are organized throughout an rBook workshop, view the videos in this chapter to get a sneak peek inside Read 180 Next Generation classrooms nationwide. Watch as Read 180 teachers implement pre-reading, reading, and writing lessons in real classrooms. Then reflect on how to strengthen your own teaching practices.